Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel Keiko Style. In today's video, I will show you the most attractive world of butterflies with these butterfly theme decorations and turn your party into a stunning garden of joy and wonder. So please guys, watch the video till the end so you don't miss any other amazing design. A butterfly themed birthday party is an adorable choice for a little girl's upcoming party. This butterfly themed party is suitable for girls of all ages, toddlers, infants, and adults too. So, friends, create the perfect butterfly themed birthday party for your baby girl with these beautiful ideas. So friends, if you like any design, you can take screenshot of it, and if you want to see more designs, please visit to my channel. I hope you guys like today's video. So please hit the like button and do share with your family and friends, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Thank you so much for watching this video.